Have you ever worked on a team and struggled to understand your teammates? Or had them struggle to understand you? What could have been done in that situation? I'm Michael O'Rourke, the director of the Toolbox Dialogue Initiative, and I'd like to talk about a method we've developed to help teammates deal with this situation, the Toolbox Dialogue Method. We developed the Toolbox Dialogue Method to solve what we call the problem of communicating across differences. When people from different disciplines and professions come together to collaborate on a common project, they often struggle to communicate because they understand the world so differently. This problem is made worse because people from different domains ask different questions and use different methods in answering those questions. And all the while, they use different technical languages to talk about what they're doing and what they hope to achieve. It's not uncommon, for example, to find social scientists and biophysical scientists working together, but disagreeing about which methods they need to use to achieve their project goals. Should they use qualitative methods or quantitative methods? Consider another example. Biophysical scientists and engineers often work together on projects, but they can disagree about whether hypotheses should be used to frame the research question they hope to answer. How should we solve this problem? Well, we believe there are 3 key steps. First, you must articulate and acknowledge the differences among the collaborators. Second, you need to create mutual understanding among those collaborators about how they're different and how they're similar. And third, you need to coordinate conversations among those collaborators within meetings and other interactions so that the project can be successful. The Toolbox Dialogue Method was designed to solve the problem of communicating across differences. It's a systematic, workshop-based approach developed in 2005 by researchers, both faculty and graduate students, who were struggling with this very problem. It was developed primarily for academics, but we found that it works for any team that combines diverse perspectives in pursuing its objectives. Toolbox Dialogue helps collaborators take these 3 key steps so that they can communicate across differences. First, collaborators from different disciplines and professions respond to dialogue prompts that highlight important differences among them and then discuss the different assumptions they make about the world. Second, Toolbox Dialogue creates mutual understanding by helping collaborators compare how they approach their common problem, noting unacknowledged differences and surprising similarities. Third, Toolbox Dialogue coordinates conversations by enabling collaborators to take each other's perspectives and appreciate their differences and similarities, which helps them communicate more efficiently and effectively. Taking these 3 steps is hard, and Toolbox is here to help. With our dialogue-based workshops, we create an intentional space for collaborators to take these steps. Through the dialogue, we highlight common ground by helping collaborators identify important connections that might not have been perceived. To successfully pursue complex research projects, it is often necessary to communicate across disciplines and professions. Toolbox Dialogue will help you take the steps you need to succeed.